Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Jobs for All. Here you will get all the latest job updates and everything in details. Make sure that you have subscribed to this channel and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss any updates. And let's get started with the today's job notification. So today's vacancy is from Canara Bank and it is for the specialist officer, and most of the vacancies are for the IT background people. Okay, those are from IT, and there are also vacancies for the manager post, like those are done from law or accountant, like that. Okay, so the registration starts from 25th of November to the December 15th. The examination, online examination, will be January or February 2021. So let's talk about the eligibility for this post. Okay, and all the IT related posts, you should have a BE Tech or ME Tech in computer science or in information technology with a 60 percentage, and even MC people also can apply with a 60 percentage of mark. Then you can check the job profile. Okay, I'll provide you this PDF in the description box. There are also vacancies for law. Okay, manager in law. So for that you should have a degree in law with 3 years of experience. Okay, and then there are also vacancies for the accountant. Okay, so you should have a any accountant degree like commerce related. Okay, and you should have 2 years of experience. And for chartered accountant, you should have a chartered accountant degree with a 2 years of experience. And for the finance manager, you should have a degree in MBA with 2 years of experience, right, in banking. And then for the information security analyst also, you should have a 2 years of experience, and the eligibility is for the BE Tech or postgraduate degree in the computer science, IT, or in electronics and communication. Okay, or MC people also can apply with a 60 percentage of marks. So for information security analyst, BE Tech or postgraduate degree in computer science, electronic communications with a first class of degree, even the MCA people also can apply. Okay, and you should have a 2 years of experience. All right, and you can check the job profile here. Next is the ethical hacker. This is also same, like you should have a BE Tech or postgraduate degree in computer science, electronic communication, or IT, or you should have or MCA with a 60 percentage of marks, and you should have a 2 years of experience with the related field. Right. Next for cyber foresting, this is also same thing. Then for storage administrator, you should have BE Tech, ME Tech in computer science or IT or MC in 60 percentage of marks, and you should have 2 years of experience. Then for middleware administrator, this was secretary, BE Tech, ME Tech in computer science or MC with 60 percentage of marks, and with the 2 years of related work experience you should have. Then for data analyst, BAB, for data analyst there is two vacancies. Okay, BA, MA, BSc, MSc in mathematics, statistics, or economics with a minimum of 60 percentage of marks, and they should have a 2 years of experience. And for the post of manager, this is for the scheduled tribe people. Okay, only for the ST category this is. Okay, and there is vacancy for manager post in 13 vacancies are there, and they should have a graduation or post graduation in any discipline with the 3 years of experience. Then for the senior manager there is only one vacancies. Okay, and you should have a graduation or post graduation degree in any discipline with a 5 years of experience. Next, let's talk about the salary. The salary for the skill level 1 officer, it will be around 42,000. Okay, it will be around 42k, and for the skill level 2 officers it will be around 45,950, and for the skill level 3 officers it will be around 51,490. So let's talk about the application fees. For SST category it is 100 rupees plus GST, and for general categories like OBCs and general category will be 600 plus GST. Let's talk about the syllabus, like what and all you have to study for which subject. Okay, so you should have a professional knowledge in the specialization. Suppose you are applying for a IT related, you should have a very strong knowledge in the IT related field, and there will be a 50 number of 50 questions will be there for 100 marks. Okay, and there will be a test for English, For 50 questions will be there, 50 marks. Banking related questions will be there for 50 questions, 50 marks. So total you'll be having 150 questions with the 200 marks in 2 hours. Time is 2 hours. Please note there is a penalty for the wrong answers. Okay, 0.25 marks will be 1/4 marks will be deducted. Then rest all the thing you can go through this PDF. I'll provide in the description, right? So some of you might have issue with applying, how to apply and all. They are not find the link and all. Although I provide the link in the description below. First you have to go to the Canara Bank website, okay, and then go to careers. After that go for click on requirement. After that click on requirement project 2020 for the special officer and the special requirement for the ST category. Click on that particular link, okay, and then once you click on that you can see here that click here to apply online, okay. Then if you are new registration, click here for new registration.